Freecash bank verification. Problems usually happen because the platform cannot confirm the bank details, connection, or account information being provided. By the end, you'll know the main steps to fix Freecash bank verification issues and what to check before trying again. The first thing to check is that the bank account information you entered matches your actual banking details. Any mismatch between your Freecash account information and bank information can prevent verification from completing. Start by opening Freecash and reviewing the withdrawal or payment section where bank verification is requested. Check that all required details are entered correctly before submitting again. If you are using a bank connection service, make sure the connection process is completed fully. A failed connection or interrupted setup can stop verification from working. Another common issue is account information. Make sure you are using the same personal details across your Freecash account and banking information. Differences in names or account details can cause verification problems. If Freecash cannot verify your bank after checking your information, avoid repeatedly submitting the same request. Multiple failed attempts may not solve the issue if the original information problem remains. Instead, review each step carefully and correct any incorrect details before trying again. You should also check whether your bank supports the verification method being used. Some payment systems work with specific banks or account types, and unsupported options can create problems. If the issue continues, contact Freecash support through the platform. Include details about the verification problem and explain what step you are unable to complete. When contacting support, provide the email connected to your Freecash account and describe the exact error message or problem you see. Clear details help support understand the issue faster. Before requesting help, take a screenshot of the verification problem if possible. This gives support more information about what is happening. The main fixes are simple. Check your bank details, confirm your account information matches, complete the verification process carefully, and contact Freecash support if the problem continues. Open Freecash and review your payment settings before trying verification again so you can fix the exact step causing the problem. Subscribe for more Freecash troubleshooting guides and app tips, and like the video if this helped you solve your bank verification issue.